the Christmas Ornament Maker by Bambu Labs. It's a really cool tool the Bambu Labs introduced for making Christmas ornaments. You don't need a Bambu Lab printer to use it, and it works great. So I'm just going to go over how to use it. It's really simple. You first go to this Maker World website, the Christmas Ornament Maker, and I will leave a link below in the video description. When you get here, I recommend for your first time skipping this create from blank and clicking on new project. I'm going to do a cutout style, but you can choose whichever you'd like. And then when you do get here, if you don't have choices for templates, you can click here right next to text, and you can start with a template. So if you choose whichever one you'd like, I'll start with kind of a simple one. Click swap template, and then from here you can make any changes you like. So what I'll do is I'll change this ring color to yellowish, and let's just say I don't like these leaves, so I can click on them and click delete and get rid of them. You can click on the text and you can change it to any font you like. And then you can also click on the text and you can write whatever you want. So you could change it to like Happy Hanukkah, for example. And then here it's really important that you just make sure that all your text is actually touching something. So I think that's kind of why most people will use this scripted text, because if your text isn't touching, it will get left on your build plate. But there we go. So now you can see almost all of that text is touching. We're missing a spot for the P. So one thing we could do is we could add a shape in there, and we'll just add a star. And we can add a star that goes over the ring and it touches the P, and that'll keep that P attached. So I'm just going to change this to Hanukkah, and we will make sure that that stays attached to the image. And there we go. You can also change any of these trees. Let's just say we didn't like having so many trees. You can insert emojis. And just you want to make sure that they're either on something or touching something. So we'll put this on the tree and we'll make it white so you can see it. And you know what, that white kind of gets blurred out, so let's change it to one of the other colors. And we'll change this one to red. So this is just a quick example how you can use this tool. It makes really awesome ornaments. I will link a live print that I did of a Rando Tech Nerd version. And then now once you're here, you just click download. And if you want it to be in multicolor, which for this one we do, you'll click download 3MF. The one that I made, I actually made them all the same color. So it was just a single color print, and I downloaded the STL. Well, thank you so much for watching. If you're interested in more 3D printing content, or you like this video, give me a like, a subscribe, and I hope you all have a wonderful holiday.